Do you ever wake up in the morning with tingling hands, stiff knees, or legs that feel too weak to carry you through the day? After crossing 60, these symptoms become all too common, and many people think it's simply part of aging. But here's the truth: while aging does play a role, the real culprit behind weak joints, numb hands, and poor flexibility is often something far more specific: a silent decline in collagen. Collagen is the protein that acts as the glue of your body. It keeps your skin firm, your joints flexible, your muscles strong, and even your bones stable. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds everything together. When we're young, our body naturally produces plenty of it, which is why children heal quickly, teenagers feel invincible, and even adults in their 30s still enjoy strength and flexibility. But after the age of 40, collagen production begins to slow down. By 60, it can drop by nearly half, leaving your body vulnerable to stiffness, swelling, numbness, and pain. The worst part? Many people ignore these signs or mask them with painkillers, without realizing that their body is simply crying out for more collagen support. But here's the good news: you don't need expensive powders, complicated supplements, or painful injections to restore collagen. Nature already provides us with some of the most powerful collagen boosters, and they're sitting right in your fruit basket. Today, we're going to explore 8 of the most powerful collagen-rich fruits that every person over 60 should eat regularly. These fruits not only help restore lost collagen but also fight inflammation, protect your joints, improve circulation, and give your body the fuel it needs to feel strong again. Each fruit we'll discuss comes with unique benefits backed by science, and if you stay with me until the end, you'll discover the #1 fruit most seniors overlook, yet it's proven to increase collagen density by up to 24% and dramatically reduce knee pain. Let's begin with one of the most extraordinary superfoods on the planet: Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. 1. Amla, the collagen supercharger. Amla has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, and for good reason. It is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C in the world, containing nearly 20 times more vitamin C than an orange. Why is this important? Because vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without it, your body simply cannot create or repair collagen fibers. Scientific studies have shown that Amla not only helps produce collagen but also activates enzymes that stabilize and protect existing collagen in your body. This means it doesn't just rebuild what you've lost, it also prevents further breakdown. Seniors who consume Amla regularly often report reduced joint pain, greater flexibility, and even brighter skin, because collagen isn't just for joints, it also keeps your skin youthful and your hair strong. Practical tip: you don't have to eat raw Amla, which can be sour and bitter. You can consume it as juice, in powdered form, or even as dried candy-like pieces sold in many Asian stores. Just a small serving daily can significantly boost collagen over time. 2. Strawberries, sweet healers of collagen. When you think of strawberries, you might imagine a sweet summer fruit, perfect for desserts and smoothies. But did you know that strawberries are also loaded with vitamin C and ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that prevents collagen breakdown caused by free radicals? Research has shown that eating strawberries regularly can improve joint health and even reduce the risk of arthritis. One fascinating study revealed that participants who consumed strawberries daily reported lower levels of pain and stiffness, especially in the knees. For seniors, this can mean fewer restless nights from aching joints and a smoother, more comfortable start to the day. Beyond joints, strawberries also protect blood vessels and improve circulation, ensuring that nutrients are efficiently delivered to muscles and tissues. And since circulation often slows down with age, strawberries provide a refreshing natural boost. Practical tip: add a handful of fresh strawberries to your breakfast oats or blend them into a smoothie with yogurt. Not only will you enjoy a delicious treat, but you'll also be protecting and rebuilding your body's collagen. 3. Blueberries, nature's collagen shield. Blueberries have long been considered a superfood, and for good reason. They contain anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their rich blue color. These compounds do something remarkable: they cross-link with collagen fibers, making them stronger and more resilient. In simple terms, blueberries act like reinforcements, strengthening the collagen scaffolding in your body. Blueberries are also packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that fight inflammation, a common cause of swelling and stiffness in joints. Studies suggest that eating blueberries can improve mobility, reduce pain, and even protect against cognitive decline, making them an ideal fruit for seniors looking to stay sharp and strong. Practical tip: a small bowl of blueberries as an afternoon snack or mixed into a salad can work wonders. They're also great frozen, meaning you can enjoy their benefits year-round. 4 Blackberries, collagen builders with circulation power. Blackberries, like their cousin blueberries, are loaded with vitamin C and polyphenols that protect collagen from breaking down. But what sets blackberries apart is their ability to support healthy blood circulation. Good circulation ensures that collagen and other nutrients reach the joints, muscles, and tissues where they are needed most. Many seniors experience cold hands and feet or tingling sensations due to poor circulation. By eating blackberries, you can support healthier blood flow, reducing these uncomfortable symptoms while also feeding your joints with collagen-boosting nutrients. Practical tip: blackberries pair beautifully with yogurt or cottage cheese. Adding them to your snacks not only strengthens your joints but also supports better digestion and heart health. 5 Guava, the vitamin C champion. When it comes to vitamin C, guava is in a league of its own. Just one guava contains 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. That's an incredible amount of collagen-boosting power in a single fruit. Vitamin C is the foundation upon which collagen is built, so guava provides your body with the exact raw material it needs to restore strength. Guava is also rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which protects your skin and joints from oxidative stress. This makes guava especially helpful for seniors dealing with joint inflammation, stiffness, or even early signs of arthritis. Practical tip: guava can be eaten raw, sliced with a sprinkle of salt, or blended into juice. It's refreshing, filling, and one of the simplest ways to supercharge your collagen intake. 6 Papaya, the enzyme-powered collagen healer. Papaya isn't just a tropical treat, it's a collagen healer in disguise. Along with vitamin C, papaya contains papain, a powerful enzyme that helps your body break down proteins and rebuild them into new collagen fibers. This makes papaya especially effective for seniors because, as we age, digestion slows down, and our ability to absorb nutrients weakens. Papain helps overcome that barrier, ensuring collagen formation continues smoothly. In addition, papaya has natural anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in joints and muscles. Seniors who include papaya in their diet often report less morning stiffness and a smoother walking experience. Practical tip: enjoy papaya as a mid-morning snack or blend it with milk for a creamy smoothie. Adding a few slices regularly can dramatically improve collagen repair. 7 Pineapple, anti-inflammatory collagen booster. Pineapple is more than just a delicious fruit. It contains bromelain, a natural enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory effects. This makes pineapple particularly helpful for seniors who suffer from arthritis, knee pain, or joint swelling. By reducing inflammation, pineapple helps your collagen fibers remain intact and functional. It's like giving your joints a protective cushion, allowing you to move more freely and with less pain. Pineapple also supports digestion, ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients needed to maintain collagen production. Practical tip: add pineapple chunks to salads or simply enjoy them fresh. Eating pineapple after meals can also improve digestion while boosting collagen at the same time. 8 Kiwi, small fruit, big collagen power. Finally, we arrive at kiwi, a small, fuzzy fruit that packs a powerful punch. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than almost any other fruit of its size, along with a variety of antioxidants that fight free radicals. This makes kiwi a direct supporter of collagen production and protection. One of the unique benefits of kiwi is its ability to improve wound healing, which is another collagen-dependent process. Seniors often notice slower healing as they age, but by eating kiwi, you can give your body the tools to recover faster and stay strong. Practical tip: eat 1 kiwi daily as part of your breakfast or evening snack. Its sweet tart flavor makes it a refreshing addition to any meal. So there you have it, 8 collagen-rich fruits that can transform your health after 60. From the power-packed Amla and sweet strawberries to the healing papaya, soothing pineapple, and vitamin-rich kiwi, each of these fruits brings unique benefits that go far beyond simple nutrition. Collagen decline doesn't have to mean a lifetime of stiff knees, weak legs, or tingling hands. By making small, consistent choices like adding these fruits to your daily meals, you can restore strength, flexibility, and vitality. You don't need to depend on expensive supplements or risky treatments. The natural, delicious foods around us have everything we need to stay strong, active, and pain-free well into our senior years. Remember, health after 60 isn't just about living longer, it's about living stronger with the freedom to walk, move, and enjoy life without constant discomfort. And it all starts with something as simple as choosing the right fruits.